Want to upload Shopify theme via zip file? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. First of all, launch open any web browser, then search for Shopify. Now head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. On the home screen, click on the online store option. Here you will find a couple of options like themes, pages, and preferences. Select themes. Now you will find your current theme over here. You can customize it or add it from your library. If you want to upload your own Shopify theme via zip file, then all you want to do is click on the import theme option at the top right corner. Now you will find three options here. Select the one which says upload zip file. Here, you want to upload a zip file of your Shopify theme. Uploaded themes will be unpublished by default. Go ahead and click on the add file option, then select your zip file, then click on open. Now simply click on upload file option. Once it has been uploaded, you can simply click on the add option and install your new theme. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.